Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and tonight is the first night that Surfside Pier is open for the season, and we've been talking about this for a while. It has a brand new lighting package on it. I mean, it's right over my shoulder. It looks beautiful, it's bright, check that out. Well, I guess we'll show you later. But long story short, I'm gonna give you guys a couple minutes of the new lighting package. We'll do one off pier and then one on pier. This is so exciting. It honestly looks so beautiful. Now, before we do that, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you do like this video, give us a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, let me show you this. How cool, right? Isn't it fantastic? I mean, look how bright it is right now. Now, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later.